Well, yes, the weather's been miserable here in southeast Texas. It's been wet and cold. Temperatures in the 40s. We've had on and off light drizzle, light rain the last day or so, and looks like that's going to continue at least for a couple more days. We're going to show you some good news here in just a moment. For tomorrow, for your Wednesday, yeah, wet, cold, and windy. It's not going to rain all day, but it doesn't matter. You're still going to have drizzle and mist, even when the showers are not moving in from the southwest. High of only 43. Thursday, just as bad, high of around 43. Even a better coverage of rain, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two on a Thursday. But here's what I like to see. Starting Friday into the weekend. Nice. We'll clear out Friday. Clouds will decrease. Cold start, but we do get to the upper 50s for highs. That's going to be nice. How about near 70 by Monday? Now we're talking some nice weather. Kind of thaw out a little bit. We need some dry. We need weeks of dry weather, as much rain as we've had over the last month or so. Next 2 days, though, miserable, light rain, temperatures in the low 40s. A little bit colder than that up in the lakes, but we all stay well above freezing. A little bit better beginning Friday, into the 50s for highs, near 60. We do reach 60 on Saturday. And then early next week, oh, this is nice. If you like the spring type weather, we're talking upper 60s to eventually mid 70s by next Tuesday. There's those high rain chances the next 2 days, especially on Thursday at 90% coverage, so just about everybody gets wet there. It's dry through Monday, then another chance of rain by Tuesday of next week as a weaker front will move in from the northwest. Across the state, certainly no watches or warnings for our part of southeast Texas. Not going to be either. All that's well to our northwest. North Texas, central, western Texas, we're talking winter storm warnings, and now even a few ice storm warnings from about Fort Worth westward. A couple of ice storm warnings southeast of Lubbock, Arkansas. Other than that, just plain nasty, very dangerous conditions expected along Interstate 35 across portions of central Texas. Winter severity index, and you can see we're in the moderate to major categories here in a lot of these counties, especially out in west and east central Texas. There'll be a few areas getting that major impact zone. So certainly traveling across North Texas, Central Texas, West Central Texas, just not advised the next few days. And if you have any family out there, certainly check on them, make sure they're okay. Things will finally start winding down for those folks on Thursday. We still got some rain to deal with Thursday, especially Thursday morning. I think by Thursday afternoon to Thursday night, we'll start improving. And here's the ice accumulations we're expecting well out to our northwest. Now, this is pretty impressive, anywhere from a quarter inch in Dallas to 1800s at Junction. Look at Comanche, could see as much as close to a half an inch of ice. Abilene, 4/10 or better. Fort Stockton, a third. Now, you don't see this very often, even with your big winter storms in central North Texas we've seen in the past. Yes, it's happened before, but just don't see it very often. Well, not a good situation there. What's triggering the freezing rain and the sleet? Little disturbances from the southwest. We have the cold Arctic air at the surface. Above that, we have warm, moist, unstable air. Had some thunder this morning. I believe it was in North Texas, maybe in Oklahoma. Had some thunder sleet this morning. This pattern's going to continue through Thursday, but watch as the main storm finally approaches and moves on out by Friday. That's a drier wind flow, so the entire state will start improving by Thursday evening into Friday. Futurecast, yeah, we're in the upper 40s right now. We were in the 40s all day. It's going to be a few degrees colder coming up for tomorrow and Thursday. We'll certainly need those jackets. And not much rain this evening, mist and drizzle, yes, but as far as accumulating showers, probably not till more daybreak. Notice these temperatures dropping on down, lower 40s, 40, 42 by 5 a.m. Those showers coming in from the southwest around daybreak. Upper 30s in the morning in the lakes, right around 40, 42 in the triangle. And we just don't warm up much tomorrow. We'll see showers throughout the day from the southwest. Could get as warm as the mid 40s, but no more than that. Then we're right back down to around 40 again tomorrow night. Notice those north and northeast winds continuing as well. You go out to the west, it's in the 30s, even colder, but should stay above freezing. Well above freezing even in the Houston area, so they're in pretty good shape too. Marine forecast, northeast winds 15 to 25 knots, water temperature 57 in the Gulf of Mexico. Tonight, cloudy, showers coming back in toward daybreak, lows upper 30s lakes, right around 40 along I-10. A miserable day for your Wednesday. We're talking 60% on the shower coverage, could even be higher than that by tomorrow night. High temperatures only around 40 or so in the lakes, low to mid 40s. Triangle, 10-day forecast, well, it's up to 90%. That's Groundhog Day Thursday. And if you're like me and you like the warmer weather, I hope he doesn't see a shadow, because I'm ready for spring. If he sees his shadow, we have 6 more weeks of winter. We don't want that, or at least the cold weather people will want it. No more rain after Thursday until the middle of next week. So we'll have a little stretch of some dry weather here Friday through Monday. And it warms up nicely too. We're talking near 60 Friday, certainly 60 on Saturday, upper 60 Sunday, near 70 Monday. How about mid 70s on Tuesday? That is going to be nice. And certainly be sure to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook. And for your weather information 24 hours a day, don't forget to go to 12newsnow.com.